had no separate management committee or program committee. So we decided to make a management committee and a program committee. That is one finding. And another finding is we were separated in different buildings. So we thought we must have one building. Everything must be under one roof. That was another thing.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ 11 women, only 3 boys. So gender representation ഉണ്ട്. So and one transgender. അവരും പണിയെടുക്കും ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഓഫീസിൽ. So ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരു ആക്ച്വലി സെക്ഷൽ കോഡ് ഓഫ് കണ്ടക്ട്, ജെൻഡർ കോഡ് ഓഫ് കണ്ടക്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കണമായിരുന്നു. Because not always women get harassed, no, there can be other ways around. So just to keep it all open, we after a self assessment or we have to make a gender policy also.
Munde munde vinaya